Now class 9, come to question number 4. We will do 3 later on. Okay, first we will do question number 4. In triangle PQR, angle PQR equals to 30 degree, angle PRQ equals to 75 degree, and angle QR equals to 8 centimeter. Let us draw a rectangle equal in area of that triangle. Now we have to draw rectangle. Now they have given PQR is a triangle and angle Q is 30 degree. The middle one always be angle. So Q is 30 degree and angle R is 75 degree. QR length is 8 centimeter. Let us draw a rectangle equal in area of that triangle. Okay, so let us start doing. Now class 9, I see QR is 8 centimeter. So I have drawn already QR 8 centimeter. Then I will draw one straight line. Same process we will follow. Okay, one straight line. Okay, and first from compass I will take measurement of this 8 centimeter. Okay, I will keep in this point and I will cancel this. Okay, and I will give name QR. Now after this, what they are saying you, PQR, angle Q is 30 degree and angle R is 75 degree. First you have to draw in point Q 30 degree, in point R 75 degree. This one you have already done. So in point Q you will draw 30 degree. How you will draw 30 degree? It's very easy. First you have to draw 60 degree. Or you can do one thing. In rough you can draw. Suppose that I first draw 30 degree and 75 degree. So I am taking one straight line, then I will draw one arc. Now I will put my compass in this point and cancel this. Okay, after doing this, I will keep my compass here only and cut here, and then I will keep my compass in this point, in this 60 degree, because this one is 60 degree and half of 60 is 30. I will cut this. Okay, now I will join this point with this line. In rough, first draw it, it will be easier for you. 30 degree. Okay, now they are telling in point Q you have to draw 30 degree. So what you will do, you will take your compass, take the measurement of this arc, okay, this arc, and draw that same arc here. And then take the measurement of 30 degree, up to 30 you will take. Okay, because we have to draw 30 degree. Okay, up to 30 you will take, and keep your compass in this point and cancel. Cut this point. So this one is your 30 degree. From Q, this one is your 30 degree. Or you can do directly this one here also. Okay, now in point R you have to draw 75 degree. In rough I am first drawing 75 degree. So for 75 degree, first what we will do, we will draw one straight line, then we will take any arc, measurement of any arc I am taking. Okay, for 75 degree, first we have to draw 90. Then we will put our compass here, cut here. Then we will put our compass in this point, cut up and this. Okay, then we will put our compass in this point, cut this. So this one is your 90 degree. But we don't need 90 degree, so we will draw it by dotted line. Okay, now after 90 degree You know that 75 is greater than 60 and less than 90. This one is 60 and this one is point 90. This one is 90 means this point is 90 and this is 60. Means between 60 and 90 there will be a 75. So what we will do, we will keep our compass here, cut here, then keep our compass in this point and cut this one. Okay, then we will match this point, means we will join this point. Okay, completed. So up to here it is 75. Now what you will do, I told you, first take the measurement of arc, keep in R point, draw that arc. Okay, then take the measurement of 75 degree, which is up to here, keep in this point, cut here, and then join this R point with this cutting point. Okay, then please join this and QR is here and this one is P. Okay, QR is here, this one is P. So this one is 75 degree, this one is 30 degree. Done your triangle. Okay, after this what you have to do, you have to draw perpendicular bisector of QR. Okay, so we will take more than half of QR. Okay, QR is 8 centimeter, write it. We don't know what is PQ length and QR length, no need to write. Okay, only they have given angle Q is 30 degree, which I have made, and angle R is 75 degree, which I have made already, I have done. But this length not given, no need to write. Now you will take more than half of QR, cut up and down. Okay, then keep your compass in point R, cut up and down. Okay, match this point. Okay, this is your perpendicular bisector. After this, same thing you will do, you will take measurement of PR. Okay, measurement of PQ. Keep your compass in point R and cut here. Then after this, take the measurement of QR, keep your compass in point P and cut this line. Okay, then this intersection point will match with P. Okay, now in this point, if they will tell you to draw anything, then you will draw. If it is not given, then what you will do, I am telling you. Okay, now see, they are telling you, let us draw a rectangle equal in area to triangle. You have to draw rectangle. Okay, means you know that in rectangle each angle will be 90 degree. So what you will do, this one is already 90 because perpendicular bisector always be 90 degree. Okay, so now what you will do, you will take this measurement, okay, keep your compass in this point, and cut here. You will take measurement of this point, keep your compass in this point and cut here. You will get your rectangle. See, this one is your rectangle. It is looking like a square, I know, but this question is like this only. It will look like a square, but it is not a square. When you will measure using your scale, you will see there is, this one is 4.1 something and this one will be 3 point something. Okay, so there is little bit different in rectangles sides. Okay, and please give name PQR and giving SGHI. You can give any name, it's upon you. So what you will write, area of triangle PQR equal to area of rectangle. What is the name of the rectangle? SRHI. SRHI. Okay, understood? Again I am explaining you. First what I have done, I am taking this QR length, I am putting here and cutting here. Then I am making 30 degree and 75 degree. You can draw separately 30 degree and 75 degree. This one is 75 degree and you can just draw it here. After that I am joining this QP and PR at point P, they are joining. Then I am drawing perpendicular bisector of QR, means more than half of QR, cut up and down, then put in R, cut up and down and draw one straight line. After doing this, I am taking this length, PQ length, I am keeping here and I am cutting here. Then I am taking QR length, I am putting in this point and cutting here, then I am joining this line. Okay. Now they are telling to make rectangle. Rectangle means all angle will be 90 degree. So you will take measurement of this. Okay, put your compass in this point and cut here. You will get your rectangle. It is looking like a square, but it is not. When you will use your scale and you will measure, there is 0.2, 0.1 difference between this adjacent side. Okay. So area of triangle PQR equals to area of rectangle SRHI. Okay. Do this one. Class 9. Now see question number 3. It is written that we draw a triangle AB equals to 6 cm, BC equals to 9 cm. Angle ABC means angle B will be 55 degree. Let us draw a parallelogram equal in area to that of triangle having an angle 60 degree and length of one side is half of AC. Now in this question only one difference is this one, that it is written length of one side is half of AC, means we have to draw perpendicular bisector of side AC. Okay, so first draw triangle. In triangle AB is 6 cm, BC is 9 cm and angle B is 55 degree. So let us start doing. So first of all, class 9, we will draw one straight line. Okay, I have drawn already AB 6 cm and BC 9 cm. Okay, so I am taking BC, this one, the bigger one I will always take as a base. So use your compass, this one. Okay, put it here and cut here. So this one is your 9 cm, which is BC. Now in angle B you have to make 55 degree. How you will make this one? For this you have to use a protector. So how you will do this one, I am showing you. Just in 90 degree you will keep your protector like this. Okay, and where is 55? You will see this one. Okay, not upper one. You will see this measurement, the lower one measurement. So 50 is this, 60 is this. In between there is one line. This one is 55. See this one, the bigger one. This one is 55. Okay, so what you will do, you can draw directly from this point to this point. Draw directly 50 degree. So you will write here 55 degree. Okay, completed this one. So it is easy to draw using your protector. Now they are saying that AB is 5 cm. This is B, this is C. Of course AB is here. So what you will do, you will take AB measurement. Okay, 5 cm. Keep your compass in this point and cut here. This is your AB. Okay, So give naming A, B. A, B and this one is C. AC length is not given to you. Just join this C point with this A. Okay, with this A. So you got ABC. Okay. Now after this they are telling that draw a parallelogram equal in area to the triangle having an angle 60 degree and length of one side is half of C. Half of C means you have to draw perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay. So how you will draw this one? Perpendicular bisector of AC. Take more than half of AC. Perpendicular bisector, always you will take more than half of that line. Cut up and down. Same thing, you will keep your compass here. Point A, cut up and down. Okay. Now you will join this point. Okay. Done up to here. Now in this one you will take measurement of AB, okay, and opposite of AB is C. After taking measurement of AB you will keep your compass in point C and cut down. Okay. Now you will take the measurement of AC. Okay, AC, keep your compass in point B and cut down this one. Okay, completed up to here. Now join this B point, with this intersection point. Okay, understood. Now where you will draw your 60 degree, you will draw your 60 degree in this point, in this. How you will draw? First you will draw one arc, then put your compass here and cut this one. This is your 60 degree. Okay, this is your 60 degree. Completed. Now you will take the measurement of this. Okay, put your compass in this point and cut this, and then join this point, this C point with this point. Now you can see you got one parallelogram. I am giving name D, E, F and here G. Again I am repeating how to do this one. First of all you will draw BC 9 cm. Then you will draw 55 degree using your protector. After that AB is 6 cm. So you will take 6 cm, keep your compass in this point and cut 6 cm. You are getting in this point. Okay. Now AC is not given, just join this C point with A. You got one triangle. After doing this you will draw perpendicular bisector of AC because they have given half of AC. Perpendicular bisector, how you will draw? Take more than half of AC, put your compass in point C, cut up and down, put your compass in point A, cut up and down. You will get one perpendicular bisector. Done. After this you will take measurement of AB, put your compass in point C and cut down, and take the measurement of AC, put your compass in point B and cut that line. You will get one intersection point. You will join B and that point. Done up to here. Now you will make 90 degree in point D. Sorry, 60 degree in point D. In 60 degree in point D. So how to make? Just take one arc. Take one arc like this in from point D. Take one arc, then keep here and cut this one. You will take you will get 60 degree, and then from point D you will join this 60 degree point up to E. Then you will take measurement of CD. Okay, keep your compass in point E and cut here, and then join C and F. Okay, so you will get one parallelogram. After doing this, you will write area of triangle ABC equals to area of parallelogram. What is the name of the parallelogram? DEFC. DEFC. Okay, completed. Complete this one. Class 9, your homework is question number 6 and 7, and if you have any queries regarding any question, you can ask me in the given email ID nilufa.sma@outlook.com and submit your homework by tomorrow in the given email ID. Okay, thank you.